In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple side hustle that you can use to make over $1,000 per month easily using just ChatGPT and your smart skills, right? So it's super simple and it takes hardly just 10 minutes to get everything ready and turn your laptop, your PC into an ATM machine. So without further ado, let's explore what this side hustle is and how it makes money for you.
Ibrar.
Hey guys, it's your boy Ibrar back with another video to add some more value into your life. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the easiest side hustle that makes you the hundreds and thousands of dollars, passively, just by leveraging the power of ChatGPT. And believe me, in this video, I'm going to share everything with you, right from the prompts to how to get your copies, how to get the content, and how to organize everything, how to get it on board, and basically make the money that you want to, right? So let me just share with you what this side hustle is, right? So in this side hustle, let me just give you some context. So this side hustle is all about creating some amazing books that you can sell online on platforms like Etsy and also Amazon Kindle. All right, this will be completely digital product that we're gonna create. It'll be ebooks, therefore you don't have to worry about getting it printed and basically doing all the supply and things, because you are just completely selling it digital and you can hold your rights to it. And therefore in future, if who knows, if God wills and this book becomes one of the best sellers, then you can also get it printed and sell, and maybe you can also sell to some publishing house for some royalties, right? So this was something really huge idea that I'm going to share with you that you can implement with me. Perhaps whatever I share with you is something that I personally do, guys. It's not something that I'm not like a random YouTuber that just comes up, that pops up with some ideas and just share with you and then just vanishes. But I'm someone who likes to do things with you simultaneously so that we both can see results, because I'm also an online hustler who's hustling online, trying to make money online, trying out different things and whatever I try. And I feel that this has got its own gravity that I try to share with you guys so that even you guys can benefit from it, right guys? So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen where I can show you the entire process, how this is done, how it makes money for you, and how are we gonna do things, right? Let's get started.
So guys, right now I'm on my computer screen, and as you can see, I have this Google Doc open on my screen, right? So this is the Google Doc that I've created, where I've listed each and every step that you need to follow, okay, that in order to create summarized books and sell them online, right? So summarized books, let me just explain you the context of what we're going to be doing today. So today we will be creating summarized books, right? You have the best sellers, those are already killing the market. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the advantage of the names and fame that these books have gained, and we're just gonna add our twist to it and we'll be selling them, right? So don't worry, you won't be getting a copyright, because this would be a summary, it would be your perception, right? So don't worry, I would provide you with certain tips that will make this book completely genuine, and you don't have to worry about any feature, right? You don't have to worry about getting banned, you don't have to worry about getting copyrights or any other stuff, because your boy got you covered, right? So let me just start today's videos, because I don't want to stretch too long, right? So at first, what you need to do is do a research on finding good bestseller in any location, in any genre. For example, right, so here I search for bestseller non-fiction book on self-growth. This becomes the genre, okay? This is the type of book that I'm looking for, and I've entered the location, right? In October 2023 in United States. So in United States, I have to target, okay, do a targeted research. So at first, when I searched for this, I got the the latest one. Okay, it is Clear Thinking by Shane Parrish, and all of these books that just popped up, right? So this were released in October 2023, and these are the best sellers, right? But however, since we would be using, okay, if you look at the document, we would be using ChatGPT, and ChatGPT, the free version, that's the GPT 3.5, is available up to September 2021. So we need to take care of it. So while searching, you will be search for any book that's a bestseller before September 2021, and you shall be good, because ChatGPT would be getting you covered, right? So I just searched for this. I just removed October 2023, and I just searched for just overall in general was the bestseller nonfiction book on self-growth in United States. And then I just got this book. I've already heard of it, and it's a quite popular book, which is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, right? So I just took this, took the title of it, and I'm good now. So we'll be moving on to the next step. So the next step is go to ChatGPT and input the magical prompts. So what are the magical prompts, right? Don't worry guys, I have all of this all of this prompt that you can follow. Plus, if you want, you can just contact me. I'll be sharing you this prompt, right? So you just have to copy and paste. Alright, so at first, when you open ChatGPT, just ask about it. Can you, like, for example, it was in October 2023, right? So I asked it, can you summarize a book called Clear Thinking by Shane Parrish? It just lets me know that my last knowledge update is till September 2021. So that just gives you an idea that you need to find something that's prior to 2021 September, right? So that's what I even informed you. So then I just changed the topic, and I just ask you, can you just help me summarize the book, which is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. And then I just wrote mentioned the author's name in case it doesn't get the book name right. And then it just lets me know that yes, it can certainly help me summarize the book. So that's a good news. Or else what you need to do is you'll have to get the content if in case ChatGPT doesn't recognize the book that you figured out that you want to summarize. Alright, so what you can do is you can just copy paste the content of the book, and then you will have to paste it and then ask it to summarize, fine, like chapter by chapter. That will become a more of a hard work, but yes, trust me, this is a genuine method and people make a lot of money this way, fine. So it just summarizes the whole book in key points. It just points out the important things that I need to that's there in the book, right? But we are not done yet. This is just to figure out, okay, this is just an investigation that we do in order to find out, does ChatGPT recognize the book and is it able to summarize, right? So since it knows about the book, so we can move ahead with the next magical prompt, which is, alright, so this is the prompt that you need to enter, and this is the magic that it'll do, right? So the prompt is very simple, where you ask it to create a summarized book, and with proper chapters, and you want it to be the summary of the book's name. You just enter the title, and you just mention the purpose, why do you need it, and then you also help you let ChatGPT know how do you want the book to be. You want it in a very friendly tone. It should depict the reader's perspective and should be in grade 5 level, right? So in that case, it just creates you, okay, you are asking to create chapters. Let's go. All right, so it says refine the chapters. Okay, step 3 is refine the chapters. So this is what we'll be doing now. See, here you have each and every chapter that ChatGPT has created for you. So now what you need to do is, this is the chapter, just one chapter, and here you just have a small piece of content, just 2 lines. So you cannot write a book with just 2 lines, right? So what you'll be do, this is I haven't continued further because it'll be very easy for me to just let you know, because you've already got an idea. So what we're gonna do is, see, in step number 4, I mentioned with individual chapter name, ask ChatGPT to create the content inside, right? So what we'll be doing is, we would copy the chapter name, we would paste and ask ChatGPT, create me a complete content.
A few moments later.
Right, so you'll just mention this, that you need a complete chapter in not less than 1000 words. Means you're specifying minimum it should be 1000 words, right? So we'll just enter the prompt and let ChatGPT do its work. See, here you have ChatGPT doing its work. Plus, do you remember in the prompt that I entered it, please present it in the way it's read. It's a reader's perspective. So now when you're out there selling the market, it's not a summary, but rather it's your perception. You can put the title such a way, what did I learn from the subtle art of not giving fuck, right? So this is how you'll be marketing it. Fine. So this is a pro tip that I shared with you. Here we have one complete chapter generated. Similarly, you'll be doing for all the 8 chapters, and then you'll have a book created. So once you have all of this content generated, what would you be doing? Just do a copy paste and format in Google Docs. Open up a new Google Doc like this, and then just copy paste, right? Just copy the title, the chapter name, do the formatting. Okay, you know how a format has to be, right? I don't want to waste time, because in this video my purpose is just to give you an idea, just to give you a direction, and rest you can apply your smartness, because I believe you are too smart. And in case you face any difficulty or you want more ideas, so you can just contact me, you can have a chat with me. Okay, I've put all my contact details in the description, so you can go ahead and just connect with me, and I'll be happy to assist you ahead, right? So for now, just know that you'll have to copy the content from ChatGPT and create a new Google Doc where you will be copying, pasting, and also formatting it like a proper book. Fine. And after this, once you're done with the book, now you need a cover for it. So in order to cover in order to design the cover, you can use Canva, right? You can go to Canva and go to templates, where you can just search for book cover for whatever genre of book that you're designing the cover for. And since it was a non-fiction book, so I just got all of these ideas from here. So yeah, I have lots of templates that I can pick and I can edit. All right, it's good for you if you can mention the original cover picture, but even then there will be a associated risk of getting a copyright, because those book covers are copyrighted, since those are bestsellers. So you can either use them, or to keep yourself on the neutral and safe side, what you can do is you can just pick any of the templates, just make some minor customizations, and just enter the title. Okay, now while you're entering the title in the design cover, okay, in the cover design, what you can do is just write that, instead of just mentioning summaries or summary of the book, you can just write my key takeaways, my learnings from the top 8 learnings from the book, right? So this is how you can do, and that basically help you to keep yourself on the safer side, plus also give a better positive impression on the viewer's mind. Whoever is there who wants to read this book, they'll get a positive impression that okay, so there's something key takeaway, someone has read the book and he has formed some perceptions that he's just laying down in this book, so I can grab a lot of it, right? Grab a lot from this. So this is what you can do. Fine. After this, after you have the design cover ready and the rest of the content, so you need to just compile them. Okay, there'll be your step number 7, where you compile the book cover and the rest of the content, right? So in the same Google Doc, just keep the first page empty, and then just import your design from Canva, and scale it to fit the page, and there you have a complete ebook ready, right? Once you have the ebook, just download it and your book is ready now. Okay, now we'll move to step number 8, which is your book is ready to be marketed on Kindle or Etsy. Now just to keep it simple, I'm mentioning Kindle and Etsy, right? So here I've also mentioned a pro tip, which is find more marketplaces, or you can also sell on social media. You can just create social media posts regarding this, and you can run an ad campaign saying, if you want to is reading a complete book a hard task for you, why not just read a summary of this book, right? Those are my key takeaways from this book. So this way you can market it. It's all about smartness. It's all about how you perceive things, how you market it in order to get the maximum sales, because just putting up a normal ad or your normal listing on Amazon Kindle or Etsy won't make the magic happen. So you'll have to definitely try out some other ways, because I want you to make maximum out of it, right? So I could have directly ended it by just saying that publish it on KDP or on Etsy and you're good, but no, you can try out a lot more things. You can search for other marketplaces where you can sell your ebook, or you can also sell it on social media. Fine. And I haven't covered actually how do you upload and publish it on KDP or on Etsy, because I believe that would be just unnecessary stretching of the video, which I believe you can just do a simple YouTube search and you can get to know how to basically get your KDP account set up, how to upload book and everything. All the details would be somewhere, right? You can search for it, because my job is to just provide you a direction. I won't be spoon feeding you directly. What I can do is I can just give you a direction, and I can tell you the sources what just need to be done, because this is a fam that we're building of action takers. So if you are an action taker, you won't get everything prepared in one place, so you'll have to work for it, do some search, and perhaps this is one of the best things that you can work upon. I'm personally working on this, and I'll also be sharing you the results that I gained from it.
Right, so you saw everything, how easy it was and how amazing this idea is, and I believe that this is going to really work out for you, because you're gonna apply some smart skills into it. And I know you can just take the idea, just take the inspiration from it and turn it into your own, add your own spices and make this idea completely, you can do wonders with it. I trust you guys. It's just a basic, kind of a framework that I've given you. You can use it to your advantage to any level. And if you're here for the first time, I'm Ibrar and I upload content on personal, financial and technical growth. So you can expect 3 videos every single week. And if you're here and you want to check out my channel for some other videos, then definitely go ahead and you'll find a lot of other values that you would really be benefiting from. So guys, do check my channel out. You'll definitely find some value. And if you like this video, do make sure to give it a like and do subscribe and comment down your views. I'll be very happy connecting with you. I've let all my contact details right there in the description. So I'll see you in some other video. Till then, take care and bye bye.